Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready for the purse you'll never leave home without? This is an adorable and versatile belt bag. This is from Neholef. I love how the belt strap is super adjustable. So whether you want to wear it on your waist or as a crossbody, it's versatile and adaptable. You can wear it any way you want. The buckle is substantial and there is a ton of organizational pockets on the outside, inside, throughout this tiny purse. So it's small, but mighty. Now I'm the kind of person that overstuffs. I take too much with me, and even doing that, this bag can take it. I really stuffed it to the max. So whether you just want to bring a few things, your cell phone, a little bit of cash, and a lipstick, or if you just want to bring pretty much everything you would in a regular purse like I do, this bag can take it. I also love the fact that it's small enough to fit inside a larger purse. So if you're traveling or doing anything and you want to bring your essentials in this belt bag, but then store it in a larger bag for travel, you can totally do that. It comes in a variety of colors, but I love black. I love having this belt bag. It keeps my hands free completely and it keeps everything I need right where I need it. It's fashionable, versatile, and I absolutely love the strength and durability of this buckle. So if you're looking for something that's going to just carry your essentials and that you're never going to want to be without, then I really think this is the belt bag for you. And that is my point of view.